How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, it's an AI influencer. His name Tom's John, and use video guide to explain specific topics. So this is another one. As you can see, over 300K followers, and it's powered by AI. That means it doesn't exist. It's just an AI influencers. And here we have a lot of likes, comments. So it's followed by real people. That means you can create yours too, and you can earn money from it. So um, dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and reckoning cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write a script. A lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start with your video on YouTube channel. Using AI influencer is creating your AI character. So don't worry actually, because you don't have to create it. We have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose which one you want. Here we have use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. If we scroll down over here, you'll find a video guide, AI character explaining a specific topic. So this AI character explaining, as I mentioned, a specific topic, so you can create yours too, and then you can not create actually, but you can generate yours. You choose the one you want, and then you can start like these videos. So it's depend how you want the video and which topic you will talk about. Here we have, for example, the first one is about sale outreach, second, product marketing, third, content marketing, for learning and development. So it depends which topic you want. So as you can see, we have here the website is full of information, can read to more understand. And as you can see, we have here a lot of AI character that you can choose one and then you can start. So let's go to get started. So you will enter your email, your verification code, and then you will answer for a few questions. Then you will sign up. It will lead you to this homepage. As you can see here, we have my recent creation. So I already have account, that's why. And also, if you scroll down, you find hygiene learning guide. So you can find AI Studio if you want more information about it. The same thing for video avatar and AI voices and video translation. If you find some difficulties about that, can just go to Hygiene Learning Guide. It will help you to more understand how it works. And for templates, as you can see, there is various ones, so we can choose which template if you want one, and then you can choose the or you can choose the AI character that can introduce your topic. And this is a lot of templates with various ones, so you can choose which one you want, or you can start with a template like this one. And also avatars. So if you want to create your video on YouTube, you can just select which avatar you want, or get your video avatar and dive into studio avatars to choose which one suits us. So let's, for example, more scroll down to select an example to start. So let's scroll down over here. Let's, for example, select that one. As you can see, this is John in black shirt. This is the description of AI character. This three dot if you want to edit avatar, that mean if you want to modify it. And this is get avatar ID if you wanna the ID. And if you wanna create your video, you can just click on landscape and on YouTube. So here we have a lot of options. As you can see, this is our AI avatar. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. Or you can also determine the size of your AI character, and if you want to add it, here's animation, if you want to add an effect on enter, effect on leave, and the same thing for the script. If you want to add it one, so we can just delete the previous one and then start with another script. If you want to add it another one, you can add it here, this on this plus icon. And if you want to add it pause between these two sections, you can add it. So this is 3 seconds, you can find maybe less, maybe more. And if you want to add the recording, you can just click here to start. If you want to add it also or upload audio, you can just click over here. And the same thing for the other scripts. If you find some difficulties on script hand, you can just click over here and write your topic. GPT script writer will help you to create one. If you want to translate your script to a specific language, you can choose here which language you want and then you click on apply. And for the voices, so you can select which voice you want. Here we have a lot of types of voices: natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. It's depend on your content. And this is the languages, so you can choose which language you want. As you can see, there is various languages. Here we have here the gender, if you want a male or female, ages, so you can select a child voice, youth voice, middle aged voice, older voice. It's depend on your AI character. I already choose male AI character, so of course the voice will be female. And for the function, you can adjust it depend on how you want it, how you want your voice. This is a lot of options that can help you to make your video more professional, and then it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel by clicking on submit. So there's a various way to earn money using this video with AI character. For example, you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. So you can use referral links to put it on your YouTube channel using this AI character, and or you can just create a video guide to get your YouTube channel monetized. So using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic and then scripting. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.